It is another busy day at Word City. I wonder what our friends are up to today. Hello, Melt. Melt?
Ay, sorry po. Magandang umaga po.
What are you thinking about that has you so distracted, Melt?
Dinala ko po itong mga libro at notebook ko para gumawa ng assignment. Pero...
Well, as they say, Melt, the easiest way to do something is to start.
Kaso po,
You don't want to do your assignment?
Opo.
Melt?
Alam ko na. Baka walang ginagawa si Joey. Baka gusto niya maglaro. Bye-bye po!
Melt, wait.
Joey!
Oh, Mel! What brings you here today?
Joey! May ginagawa ka ba? Gusto mo pumunta sa treehouse para maglaro?
I'm not busy at the moment. I already finished the assigned schoolwork. Let's go!
Yay! Tara!
But, wait a minute, Mel. Did you finish the assignment? You didn't do it yet? Mel?
Bakit ba kasi kailangan ko pa matutunan yung mga fractions at multiplication, saka division? Ang hirap! Ang gusto ko naman ay maging baker, di mathematician.
Mel, you need to finish those. If you'd like, we can go to the treehouse right now and I can help you with your assignment.
Huwag na, Joey! Ay, teka! Baka si Art gusto maglaro! Bye-bye!
Mel!
Di na ako nakita. Siguro, magbe-bake na lang ako. Kaysa gawin yung assignment na masakit sa ulo.
Melt, bakit ang aga mo? Akala ko gagawa ka ng assignment sa treehouse.
Opo. Mamaya lang po, babalikan ko po yun. Gagawa lang po ako ng Yema Tarts.
Sige, Melt. Damihan mo kasi bibigyan ko rin sina Ate Lucy sa kabila. Paborito niya yun eh.
Sige po, Mama. Gaano po ba karami yung kailangan po?
I-times 3 mo yung nasa recipe.
Po? Times 3? Imu-multiply po?
Oo, Melt. Tatapusin ko lang itong ensaymada ha. Tawagin mo na lang ako kung kailangan mo ng tulong ko. I-times 3 mo yung nasa recipe.
I can help you with your assignment.
At iba naman sa baking, multiplication pa rin.
There you are, Mel. I looked for you everywhere. Your assignment!
Joey!
What's wrong?
Multiplication na naman! Gusto ko lang naman gumawa ng Yema Tarts pero kailangan pa rin ng multiplication.
You can't escape math, Mel. It's always there, even if you don't see it.
Kaso, paano ako magiging magaling na baker kung hindi ako marunong ng math?
That's why we have assignments, Mel, for you to practice and get better at math. If you'd like, I can help you with your assignment. and then you can make your yema tarts afterward.
Pag natutunan ko yung mga fraction at multiplication, makagawa na ako ng tarts?
Sure!
Ha? Sige, tara! Ang hirap, Joey!
No, this is how you do it.
Ha?
Like this.
Paano ulit?
See?
Oh! Ganun pala yun.
And so, with Joey's help, Melt finally starts working on his assignment. Did you finish your assignment, Melt?
Opo! Ang galing ni Joey magturo. Natapos po namin lahat ng sasagutan.
It was a pleasure to assist you, Melt. You learned really fast once we compared fractions to baking terms.
Oo, madali lang naman pala. Salamat uli, Joey. Gagawin ko na yung mga yema tarts. Huwag kang mag-alala, bibigyan din kita.
I'll wait for those then. See you, Melt.
Bye-bye, Joey!
Bye!
1/3 cup softened butter. Kung imumultiply ito sa 3, 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup ay 1 cup. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 times 3 ay 6. Di 6 na kutsara ng asukal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 times 3 ay 3. Kaya 3 cup ng harina at 3 egg yolk. Tapos mix.
O kumusta na ang yema tarts, Melt?
Success po, Mama!
Huwag mong kalimutang bigyan si Joey ng gawa mong yema tarts, ha? Sabihin mo, ang galing niya magturo ng math.
Opo, Mama. Sigurado po ako na magugustuhan ito ni Joey. Hi, Joey!
Salutations, Melt. How were the yema tarts?
Ayun nga! Success!
Wow! Brilliant! Those look perfect, Melt.
Salamat uli sa tulong mo, ha?
Always happy to help.
Tara, kainin na natin itong tarts.
The consistency of the crust is perfect, and the filling perfectly complements the taste of the tart shell. This is amazing, Melt.
Siyempre, gawa yan sa recipe namin eh. Tapos, sakto din yung measurements.
They certainly look very good, Melt. And on top of that, you finished your assignment. Congratulations!
Tara, tikman nyo rin po. Nagawa ko ito dahil natuto ako ng fractions at multiplication.
I didn't know fractions and multiplication could be so delicious.
Certainly. Art discovered the power of a plan, and Melt found math hiding in his favorite hobby. With goals and a little practice, you can make every day an adventure too.